In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a Fiverr gig description step by step. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting out, a compelling gig description is crucial. It's your chance to shine and attract potential clients. So let's jump right in and craft that perfect description together. First, you'll need to log into your Fiverr account. If you don't already have an account, setting one up is quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll want to switch to selling mode. This mode provides you with all the necessary tools for creating or editing your gigs. You can easily switch by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting the selling option from the drop-down menu. Next, it's time to come up with a great gig title. This is often a potential buyer's first impression, so make it compelling and to the point. A clear and descriptive title can significantly increase your chances of standing out in a competitive marketplace. After crafting your title, you will select a category and subcategory that best fits the service you're offering. This classification will help your gig appear in relevant searches. Now move on to adding search tags. You can add up to 5, so think about the keywords clients might use when looking for services like yours. These tags will help boost the visibility of your gig in Fiverr's internal search, enhancing your chances of getting noticed. Next, you'll need to set up pricing for your gig. Fiverr allows you to create different packages, so consider offering varying levels of service to suit different budgets and needs. Take the time to outline what each package includes to avoid any confusion later on. With pricing in place, it's finally time to dive into writing your gig description. Begin with a strong hook to capture the attention of potential clients. This opening line is your opportunity to communicate the unique value you bring to their project. Clearly explain what you will do, leaving no room for misunderstanding. Be direct and detailed to ensure clients know exactly what they can expect from you. Highlighting your skills and experience is also essential. Share your relevant background and accomplishments to build trust and credibility. This is your chance to showcase why you are the best choice for the job. A call to action is another powerful element for your gig description. Encourage potential clients to contact you with questions or to place an order. Make them feel invited to reach out and confident about taking the next step. Finally, remember to use relevant keywords throughout your description for Fiverr SEO. This will improve your gig's visibility and align it with the search terms your potential clients are using. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to writing an engaging, effective Fiverr gig description that stands out in the marketplace. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling.